Welcome traders to another C-Space trading video. As always, I'd like to welcome my subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough, but let's go ahead and hop into what I want to point out here. Usually I do daily breakdowns, daily analysis of the SPY, which I typically trade. However, I do want to do these bigger stocks people do follow to try to help someone who's not interested in the SPY. So today what I have here is Facebook, and I've got the daily chart pulled up now. And I'm just sitting here looking at what the short term is. I mean, anytime you can get a stock like Facebook on a huge gap down, somewhere far away from the all-time high, it's never a bad idea to buy if you plan on holding it for a long term. But if you don't plan on holding it for several months, you probably want to know, how you can make a quick buck. Let's just try to break down and see what's in front of Facebook from here in the next week or two. So first thing I like to look for is try to find your support. Where is this support? You got a bearish candle here as you opened up at 180.20 and really didn't go much higher than that. Then it closed down at 174.70 and it dipped a little. So you got a little wick here, which is a little encouraging, but still that's one bearish candle. And it seems to me that depending on what tomorrow brings, this thing could possibly dip down into the back to 170. But besides that, let's see if we can't find any support. So if I zoom out, let's look at the hourly here, see if we can't give a better telltale sign for short term. So about right here I could see, which is exactly where it's at. Typically when you have these highs and they break through, that could be a level of, had a level of resistance here, it could be a level of support. So that's one possibility, which is where it currently bounced from. And of course your other level of support is going to be down here. That's your stronger level, 166.56. And if we zoom out, let's go to daily and look at that. Okay, so if you zoom out, you see this 174 actually has a bunch of these lines touching it. So it's actually stronger than we initially thought. And down here is extremely strong. So if I was looking to buy Facebook, you're looking to buy in this 166 to 174 range. It looks like a great area. Of course, if you can get it closer to 166, it's going to be a better deal. However, if you have another red day tomorrow and it dips down to 170, that'd be a great time to buy because you are down here in these levels of support and you're looking for a turnaround for it to run back up here to the 200. Maybe possibly the 215 to get this gap filled. That's what you're looking for. Let's see if anything hourly tells me anything. Had some good volume here at the end of the day. Nope, that about does it. Guys, Facebook is going to be a good stock for years to come. Long term, it's definitely a great time to buy, but short term, you may want to wait until it dips below this here and gets closer to the 170 range. And expect that turnaround. Another thing to look for, I'm looking now, is you have this here developing. Let's go all the way down. So it's kind of like a flag, but I just like the wedges. So you've got a wedge here, or a triangle. What I would not buy Facebook until this triangle breaks north, and even if it breaks, this is the hourly. It's got to break, and then you want to see another candle that stays above it. There's been many times candles will break above this line, and then when the next hour, the next candlestick, it would actually come back down, and then and continue to fall. So once you have a break and it does confirm with the next candlestick, that would be a great opportunity to buy and expect a run. Let's see. Just do here, and then so that would be about getting it back up here. So guys, keep a lookout. I mean, that's nothing there really to stand by, but keep a look on this wedge here, this triangle, for this line of support at 166 and this line of support at 174. Once it breaks above this trend here and you do get a confirmation on the next candle that it's going to go higher, that might be a great entry point for a swing trade for a couple days. That could be a point where it at least runs back up to the 188 mark, or at least in this frame here between 185 and 188. But that is my technical analysis on Facebook at this time. We'll come back in a few days to see where it stands. And guys, I appreciate the follow along. If you got any value out of this and learn anything, hey, please subscribe and follow along. I do plan on continuing to put these videos out. I do enjoy interacting, so comment if you have any questions. And guys, y'all have a wonderful night. See ya.